The Delhi High Court has came down heavily on the Bar Council of India after CMS IndusLaw and several of its partners filed a writ petition challenging the Council's new regulatory framework for foreign law firms and the disciplinary proceedings initiated against the firm. CMS IndusLaw, represented by Senior Advocate Amit Sibal, has sought to strike down the Bar Council of India registration and regulation of foreign lawyers and foreign law firms rules 2022 as amended in May 2025, calling them ultra vires, the Advocates Act, and violative of the fundamental rights to practice a profession under Article 19(1)(g). The firm also asked the court to quash the BCI's new show cause notice dated August 5th and its November 4th hearing notice, stay all ongoing proceedings, and direct the council to disclose all material relied upon while initiating action. Taking note of the petition, the bench observed that the BCI had not complied with the procedure laid down in its own rules before initiating disciplinary action. The court noted that despite repeated written requests from CMS IndusLaw, the BCI had not supplied the documents and evidence forming the basis of the show cause notice, effectively denying the firm a meaningful opportunity to respond. The court directed the BCI to provide CMS IndusLaw copies of all material relied upon in issuing the August 5th notice and ordered that no final adjudication or decision be undertaken by the regulator until further order. The matter was posted for November 18th, when it will be heard along with a related petition filed by Dentons Link Legal. The judges pressed the BCI's counsel on whether the council had obtained the mandatory consent of the Chief Justice of India and the central government before framing the 2025 amendments, an explicit requirement under the Advocates Act. The BCI counsel sought time to respond. Counsel Amit Sibal argued that while the 2020 rules were meant to clarify the position on foreign law practice, the 2025 amendments have only created more confusion. The bench agreed, calling it a much larger issue to be dealt with. The controversy stems from the BCI's show cause notice dated August 5th, 2025, alleging that IndusLaw entered into an unapproved combination with international law firm CMS and violated the foreign lawyers' rules by using the name CMS IndusLaw. The BCI also issued a press release the same day naming CMS IndusLaw and Dentons Link Legal, which the High Court later described in Dentons' case as predetermined and prejudicial.